In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Whether you're a budding bookworm or a seasoned reader, purchasing Kindle books is a simple and convenient way to grow your digital library. So, let's dive right into the process and have you enjoying your new reads in no time at all. To start, you'll need to visit the Kindle store on Amazon. You can do this by going to the main Amazon website and navigating to the Kindle section. This area is dedicated to ebooks and digital reading, making it easy to find just what you're looking for. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a plethora of book titles, ranging from the latest best-selling novels to time-honored classics. Now, if you have a specific book in mind, you can use the search bar located at the top of the page. Simply type in the name of the book or the author, and let Amazon do its magic. Alternatively, if you're browsing for something new and exciting, you can explore various categories or check out recommendations tailored to your interests. Take your time to peruse the endless options available. Once you've found a book that piques your interest, click on the book's title to view more details. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can read a description of the book, check out reviews from other readers, and even get a glimpse of the book's cover and sample pages. This information can be incredibly helpful in making your decision, so don't hesitate to look around and make sure this is the book you want. When you're ready to make your purchase, look for the Buy Now button on the book's page. Clicking this will begin the purchasing process. If you've set up one-click purchasing, the book will be yours almost instantly. Otherwise, you might be prompted to confirm your order or choose a payment method. Once you've completed these steps, your transaction is complete, and the book is officially part of your collection. Finally, let's talk about accessing your newly purchased book. After your purchase, the book will be available in your Kindle library. You can find your library by going to the Manage Your Content and Devices section on Amazon. From there, you will see the complete list of your Kindle purchases. Your book is ready to be read on your Kindle device or through the Kindle app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Just download the book to your device of choice, and you'll be ready to dive into your next adventure. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to buying Kindle books on Amazon. Happy reading!